Alright, check this out. I don't know if it's going to focus or not. Do you see that little piece in there? It's like kind of like orangish color. So I have a suspicion that this line is bad. So I'm gonna see if I can set my phone right here real quick. Like this. Maybe right here, even better. I'm gonna take this apart real quick. I have a sneaking suspicion this line is bad. Sometimes these lines go bad. Yeah, look at that. See that inside? Yep. This is what I was seeing in that fuel filter. I'm wondering if a piece of this is stuck in the carburetor. I'm wondering how much of this made it through the fuel system. Yeah. So that's definitely going in the garbage. Yeah, look at that. The whole hose is just deteriorated inside. That's crazy. I wonder if I take this off, how bad this is plugged. My phone's gonna die. I only got 4%. It ran better yesterday, but not superb. Yeah, look at that.